So hey guys, welcome to Technical Graphers. So we'll be talking about the iPhone OS 14. And before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. So as you have done that, let's start the video. So guys, iPhone OS 14 is a new update and you heard it right, and this is not the first time when we are hearing about the iPhone OS, and they have done it once in the past. So as you guys know, when the first iPhone was launched, it was called the iPhone OS and not the iOS, and with the launch of the iPhone 4 in 2010, it was launched with iOS 4, and till now it is going on till iOS 13. And if you recall, all the iPads were also having till the iOS 12, and when the iOS 13 was launched, they came up with the new OS, which is the iPad OS, and which is only meant for the iPads, and the same is going to happen. So there is also a question that which phones will get. So as you can see on the screen, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the 10s, 10s Max, 10R, 10, 8, 8 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, and the 6s series, and the SE first and second generation, and the iPod 7 generation. If you talk about the iPod 7 generation, so this is also going to get the same software update, and they might discontinue the iPod lineup, and this is going to be the last one, and the next generation may not come. The 8th generation may not come because no one is buying it, so very few people buy it. So what do you guys think about the new update? And 3 more days are left for the WWDC event, and we might know, and this is a leak by John Prosser, so it's going to be called the iPhone OS and not the iOS 14. So hope we'll see it, and most of you guys may not like the name. So I like the name, but it looks a odd feeling. We are always calling the iOS 14 like that. So if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.